Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, rear view camera, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost, child safety locks, bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.